How to check who viewed your location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in this video we're going to be discussing as to how we can figure out who viewed our location on Snapchat. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to figure out who has viewed our location on Snapchat, all we need to do is first of all just go ahead and then actually launch the Snapchat application. Then if I come to the Snap Map page over here, basically I'll just come to the Snap Map page and let's say I check out someone's location. Will that person actually be able to know if I have viewed their location? The answer is no. You cannot find out even if someone viewed your location on Snapchat because maybe you've enabled it. You will not be able to figure out if they have viewed your location. The only thing you can do is you can actually turn off your location by just going ahead and then simply actually turning off your GPS in this case. And then once you turn off your GPS and then just turn off location, no one else will be able to view your location. Or you can also enable ghost mode. Ghost mode basically means that no one else will be able to view your location. So that's the one thing you want to keep in mind. Now, however, Snapchat is actually a privacy focused application, and it's very unlikely that even in the future they're going to let people know that this person viewed your location. No, you'll not be able to figure that out. So hope this video cleared the confusion. We hope the video at least answered your question. If it did help answer your question, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.